Hello, children of the universe. Today is Friday, so y'all got a weekend off from school. Hello, children of the universe. So I'm calling all the children in the universe from 0 to 16 years old. Please come on to Yvonne's platform. Come on, children in the universe. Come on. Come on, children in the universe. 0 to 16. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, children in the universe. Come on, 0 to 16. Okay. We're going to bow our heads and say a prayer. I'm coming to you today, God, to ask you to bless all the children in the universe from any harm or any bodies that wish to do the children in the universe any harm. God, I'm asking you to protect and secure these children in the universe all during the day, all during the night, God. And God, I thank you. Amen. Okay, y'all been a little sporty today. Miss G being a little sporty today. Got my little sport going on today. It's Friday. Yes, yes, yes. Today we are going to learn divisions. So I'm going to teach you how to divide, but first I'm going to have to teach you how to multiply. 1 times 1. So how many ones? 1. So 1 times 1 is what? 1. Because you only got 1 set of 1, so it's 1. 1 times 2. So you got 2 sets of 1, so 1, 2. So 1 times 2 is what? 2. 1 times 3. So you got 3 sets of 1, so 1, 2, 3. 3. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2, because you got 2 sets of 2. So 2 sets of 2s is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 2 times 3, you got 3 sets of 2s. 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 3, what? 6. 3 times 1, so you got 3 sets of 1s. That's how many? 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2, you got 2 sets of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 sets, 1, 2. So add the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3, you have 3 sets of 3s. 3 sets of 3s is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 1. 4 ones is what? 4. 4 times 2. So you got 2 sets of 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 times 2 is what? 8. 4 times 3. You got 3 4s, 3 sets of 4s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 times 3 is what? 12. Okay, now we're going to go and divide. I got it's one number, so I don't have to do 2 steps. It's only 1 step to one. We divide one number. So 2 going to 6. 2 times what is 6? 3. So 2 goes into 6 what? 3 times. Because 2 times 4 is what? 8. So you know 8 is bigger than 6. So that's too much. So you want to say 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Remainder 0. 4 going to 9. 2 times 4 is what? 8. 4 times 3 is what? 12. 9. 12 is bigger than 9. So you know that's too much. So 4 goes into 9. What? 2 times. 2 times 4 is what? 8. And your remainder is what? 8 from 9 is 1. So your remainder is 1. 3 goes in 11. 3 times. Because why? 3 times 4 is 12. And you're trying to divide 3 into 11, so that's too much. So 3 goes in 11 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 from 11 is 2. Your remainder is 2. We'll check tomorrow. I'm going to put it back up and we'll check the numbers tomorrow. I'll show you how to check your answers. So, moving on, now we're doing 2 digits. So I got 2 steps. 1, 2. So 3 into 54. You don't say 3 into 54. You divide the first number first. So 3 into 5, one time. 1 times 3 is what? 3. 3 from 5 is 2. Stop there and move to the second step. Put the 2 first and then bring down the 4 behind it. So now you would say 3 into 24. 3 goes into 24 how many times? 9 times 3 is 27. So you know 27 is larger than 24. So that's too much. So you move down to the next number. 8. 3 times 8 is what? 3 times 8 is 24. So 8 times 3 is 24. Your remainder is what? 0. Moving on to 4 into 68. You don't divide both numbers at one time. You start with the first number first. So you would say 4 into 6. 4 times 2 is what? 8. So you know 8 is bigger than 6, so that's too much if you would say 2. So you would have to say what? 1. 4 times 1 is what? 4. 4 from 6 is what? 2. Stop. Goes to the second step. Write down your 4 to go into the number. So you put your 2 here first to divide and bring that second number down is 8. Now you would say 4 into 28. On the second step, you divide all the numbers. So 4 into 28. 4 times 9 is what? 36. 36 is larger than what? 28. 4 times 8 is what? 32. 32 is larger than 28, so you know that's too much. So you go to 7. 4 times 7 is what? 4 times 7 is 28. Stop right there. Subtract. 28 from 28 is 0. So your answer is 27. Remainder 0. Moving on to the next number. 5 into 46. You want to divide the first number first. 5 going to 4, what? 0. My bad. It's not 5 into 46. That's the second step. First step, 5 into 96. So you don't want to say 5 into 96. You want to start off with the first number first. So you say 5 into 9, 1 time. 1 times 5 is what? Because 5 times 2 is 10, so 10 is bigger than 9. So you want to say 1 because, just can't be 2 because 2 is 10. So 1 times 5 is what? 5. 5 from 9 is what? 4. Write down your 4 and write down your, stop there and go to the second step. Write down your 5, write down your 4, and then write down that 6. Now you want to say 5 into 46. So we know 5 times 10 is 50. So that's too much because 50 is larger than 46. So you want to try 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. You want to stop right there. 9 times 5, because 45 is not larger than 46. So 9 times 5 is 45. You bring down 5 from 6 is 1. Remainder 1. Moving on. 6 into 721. I got 1, 2, 3 steps. So let's work it. 6 into the first number, 7. So you know 6 times 1 is 6. So 6 going to 7, what? 1 time. 6 from 7 is 1. Stop. Go to the second step. Bring down your 1 and your what? Your next number. Stop. 6 goes into 12. What? 2. 2 times 6 is what? 12. So now you want to bring down your 0 and your 1. And 6 can't go into 0. 6 can't go into 0. So you want to bring what? You 6 can't go to 0, so it says 0. So your answer gonna be 0 minus 1. 1 is gonna be your remainder. So your answer is what? 1, 2, 0. So your answer is 120 with the remainder 1. That's your answer. And then you will, I teach you tomorrow how to check for your answer. Moving on. 7 into 840. See, I got 3 steps because it's 3 numbers we're going to be dividing. So you want to do your first number. 7 into 8 is what? 1, because 1 times 7 is what? 7. And you break down your 1. Okay? So when you break down your 1, you want to break down your 1 to move to step second. Stop. Go to step second. Break down the 1. And behind it, put your second number. And you stop. And then you say 7 goes into 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 is larger than 14, so try the second number. 7 times 2 is what? 7 times 2 is 14, so you say 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Stop. Break down. It's the 0, so you just break down your 0. And 7 goes to 0 0 times. So your answer will be what? 120 times 7. And that's your answer. Okay. But we're not working on that yet. But your answer is 120. 120. Every number 120. Remainder 1. 3 is the answer for that one. 8 is the answer for the 3 and the 54 is 18. 1 and 8. So 18 times 3, yeah. So that's your answer. And for this one, it was 17. 17 times 4. So that's your answer. So now we're moving on to the 9 and the 380. So now 9 into 380. 9 goes into 3. 0. 0. Break down your 3. Stop. Go right here and break down your 3 and the second number behind it. So then you say 9 goes into 38. If 9 times 5 is 45, that's too much, so try 4. 9 times 4 is 36, so 36 is less than 38, so you say 4 times. 4 times 9, 36. Write down your 2. So stop, and then you say 2, and write down your what? 0. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 is larger than 20. So now you want to go with the less 2. 9 times 2 is what? 18. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract 8 from 0. You can't. You got to borrow from the 2. Make the 2 a 1. 8 from 10 is 2. That's your remainder. So your answer is 42. Remainder 2. And we will check tomorrow. And that's how you divide. Follow those steps. They're easy to follow. You should not have any problem following the steps. And then we'll check the answers tomorrow to see if we got the answers right. So tomorrow we will check. But that's how you do it. When you divide 2 numbers, do your 2 steps. You divide 3 numbers, do your 3 steps. You divide 4 numbers, do your 4 steps. Divide 5 numbers, do your 5 steps. Until you use up all the numbers. And then the answers on the top, when you're dividing, that is your answer for the problem. So it's easy to follow. I will be checking back with you guys tomorrow to check the answer. Okay, I will check with you tomorrow and sport tomorrow to check your answers and make sure that you got them right. And I hope I was easy to show you how to work the problems. I hope I didn't go too fast and it was simple and easy. But then you got control of your tools on your computer or device. Just if you miss something, just stop and play it over until you get what I was saying. So it should be easy to follow. So thank y'all. Love you kids in the universe. Yay. We're going to do this together. Bye.